Hey Lisa, it's Jose here at Jack Cooper, and I'm just making a quick video to help you troubleshoot the headphone issue you have right now. So right here I have a DVD from Nissan inserted on the DVD player. I got it playing on both screens in the back. I don't have the e-brake, so it's not playing up at the front. However, if I do turn the volume up right here, because I have the speakers on the back on,
the auto function can be turned off.
we can hear the DVD. So these volume buttons, the volume buttons on the control are gonna be for the speakers only. So for the speakers in the car only. For your wireless headphones, so we got them right here. You turn them on by pushing the button right here, and you can see if they're on or off by looking at the light, making sure it's on. Over on this side, I'm sitting on the left side of the car, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select the left display, and then I turn up the volume with this little knob right here, and it seems to be working okay. So that's how you get the wireless headphones working. To turn them back off, we're just gonna push that button and they're off. Now we do have some headphones, so right now I'm going to use some regular iPhone headphones. Now they do have a headphone jack right here. However, because this also has a hands-free microphone right here, there's a little trick to it. If I insert it all the way in, it doesn't recognize that this does have a hands-free jack. So if I insert it all the way in, I'm barely able to hear anything. However, if I pull it out just a little, just about halfway right there, yeah, I get the best sound right there. So I'm able to hear everything that's coming out of the screen. And by pushing in or out on this volume little knob, I'm able to control the volume. One last thing I do want to show you is how to mute the speakers on the back. So I'm going to come up to the front real quick. So come up to the front. I'm going to go ahead and do my e-brake. Put that on. The screen comes up. Touch and turn it on. I'm going to go to the rear. I'm going to just turn up the volume real quick.
Air recirculation.
If I push this button right here,
allowing outside,
that'll actually turn off the speakers in the back. So what that is for is if you're ever playing music up at the front, people have headphones on the back, turns the rear speakers off so they're actually able to hear the headphones better in the back. And you can play your own music up at the front. So you can just play your radio or Bluetooth or whatever you're playing up at the front. And the DVDs will remain playing the same thing. To turn the rear speakers back on, you just push that button and it turns it back on. Anyway, give me a call if you're still having any issues and let me know. Thanks.